Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question for you. A question pertaining to races or circular races. Okay, so these are one of the more difficult kinds of questions pertaining to time, speed and distance, and we quite often see these kinds of questions being asked across multiple examinations. Be it your GRE or GMAT, these kinds of questions are really prevalent in this examination. These kind of questions, they also contain a bit of complexity in them, so this in turn makes them a favorite amongst the examiners of this sort of examinations in general. So we'll take a look at that, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same as well, so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line, we are well apt with the approach of the same as well. Okay, so having said that, we'll just focus on the question at hand, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same and get a general idea in regards to the approach involved. Okay, so having said that, let us just focus on the question at hand. A and B run in same direction at speed 15 meter per second and 20 meter per second, and C runs in opposite direction at 25 meter per second on a 2 kilometer track. If all three starts from the same point, then how many times A and C will have met each other by the time all three meet for the first time? Okay, so here let's just try and understand the question. Suppose this is my track. Okay, this is my track and its circumference is given as 2 kilometers or 2000 meters. Okay, because that's the length of the track. We have A here. Okay, A is running in this direction. A is running with a speed of 15 meter per second. B is also running in the similar direction. B speed is given as 20 meter per second, and C is running in opposite direction. C is running at 25 meter per second, and say they start from this particular point. Okay, A and B go in this direction, C in this direction. Okay, now if we consider the all of these cases, now if we see how many times A and C meet? Okay, by the time all three of them meet. Okay, so A and C meet in, so length being 2000, and since they are running in opposite direction, that is 25 plus 15, that is 2000 by 40, or the A and C meet every 50 second. Okay, A and C meet every 50 second. Now let me try and give you explanation how we came. So there's a formula basically. Okay, let me write the formula down. Say here, number of times races meet. So when they are going opposite direction, it is length of the track by sum of their individual speed, and when they are in same direction, it is length of the track by difference of their individual speed. Okay, so this is what we have here. So you can keep a note of all these things. Okay, now next up we'll again take a look. A and B meet in, so A and B going in same direction, so 25 minus 15, no, 20 minus 15, sorry, my bad, 20 minus 15, that is 2000 by 5 or 400 seconds. Okay, so A and C meet every 50 seconds and A and B meets every 400 seconds. Okay, now if I am to find ABC's meeting point, so A, B, C, their common meeting point, ABC common meeting time, meeting point, sorry, meeting time will be LCM of 50 and 400. That is, they meet at 400 seconds. Okay, that's the common meeting time. So A, B and C meet together for the first time at 400 seconds, and after every 400 seconds they continue meeting. So by the time all three of them meet, A and C would have met for 50 seconds. Okay, next they would meet at 100 seconds. Next they would meet at 150 seconds. Hang on. 150, 200, 250, 300 and 350. So then at 400 all A, B and C meet. Here AC, 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 AC and AC. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A and C actually meet 7 times before all three meet. Okay, so option C will be 7. 7 will be our answer. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you, the approach and everything involved. So if you have any doubt, just go through the same. I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards, and just keep a track of the formula that we have discussed. That should come in plenty. Okay, now having said that, if you're looking for detailed solution of the similar sort of questions pertaining to your VA, LRDR, QA sections of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay, now having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion on similar sort of questions. Until then, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.